going. Maddie, stop burping.
Sorry.
No, turn the other way.
Oh.
There you go. Come here, Maddie. Just tie a knot and see how loose it is. Ready?
How will I take it off?
Here, let me get the thing going. I just want to see how loose it is.
Don't pull. I'm wanting to pull it.
You want to see how loose it is? Yeah. Hold on. I'll get a little smaller loop. Did you have a good day at the museum?
Yeah.
Good. You want to feel how loose it is?
Yeah.
Let me see. Turn this way. I just want to see how loose it is. Is it loose?
Yeah.
Oops. Hold on. Are you still filming?
Yeah.
Here, Manny. Come here. I gotta get it up in the high regions. Okay, do that little thing with your tongue again. Does that feel loose?
Yeah.
It keeps slipping off.
Is that right?
I'd close the sink stopper.
Let me see. Here, I got a thing to push it up there.
Oh.
You're fine. There we go. There we go. Hold on, let me see.
Don't do it too tight. Ow.
And there it is.
Oh!
Yeah, show the camera. Smile at the camera, Manny.
Oh! It's adorable. Oh.
That's pretty loose, huh?
Oh, it's gross.
Let me see. Oh, that's all right. That's good.
Oh!
And there's the tooth.
Oh, wow. Wow.
Good job, man. Let's make some lemonade. All right, get a treat for that.
Look at the tooth.
Oh, it hurts.
You all right?